how I gain 7,000k followers. Actually, it's just about 3 months. Okay. Actually, I didn't know anything about it. What was the thing that draws my page to gain such a big amount of followers in a matter of a short period of time? And also, take a look at the likes, right? Why? It's almost the same. It is not about reels. It's not about the videos. This page, I didn't really know about it. This page was intended for my content in YouTube. I had a very mysterious, what is it? Diba? Mysterious parang. It was a very mysterious, ano ba? Do I have to say it? Yes, you guys, I have to say it. I'm very much into photos. Yes, it's about the post. Okay, this page is about post. It's not about reels. It's not about videos. And I gained 7,000 k followers, right, in a matter of, I think it's about 3 months. This blew up my channel just about 3 months. I think it started, if I'm correct, last year it was around late November, December to January. Yes, it blew up that way. And what is it all about in this page? Why? See, I have 17,000 followers and then I have 16 likes. What is it? What was it? Actually deleted now. It is because I want to get monetized. Okay, so I think for me, to start a page and you want it to get monetized, don't start yet with videos, I think, and reels. I think for me, you start with building a community first. That's why post is important. And so, what was it? Picture. It was just a picture, a very mysterious picture. I posted in a picture. I was just wearing a, etnap, etnap, and it looks like I'm just wearing a mask. I deleted that, just to be safe, because I already gained something out of it. And yeah, that's why that was the way I gained my I call that followers. And also it was all my like videos in YouTube, how's my YouTube was doing, because I was also starting a new channel in YouTube. And then it was at the same time I got viral in YouTube. And then yeah, people get curious, well, what was the viral video, that was it. Okay, so I hope you learned something to, about how to gain followers. Okay, that's it, you guys. It's about post and pictures and be mysterious.